Tonight on AI Unpacked, we delve into Zoho Corporation's latest updates to its low-code development platform, Zoho Creator. Now, the company has introduced new AI capabilities, including the co-creator assistant, designed to simplify and accelerate app development. Now, Andrew Bourne, regional head of Zoho South Africa, joins us on the line to share insights on these new features and how they impact businesses looking to enhance their app development processes. And Andrew, a very good evening. Good to have you with us on the show.
Good evening. Thank you for having me.
Maybe walk us through then the key new AI features that Zoho has introduced in its low-code development platform, co-creator, and the business challenges they aim to address.
Okay, so I think maybe just to give a bit of context, Zoho's been around for more than 26 years, and we've got more than 120 million users that trust and use the software. So it's been around for many, many years, and we've been working on AI for more than 10 years. So it's not something new to Zoho. And so what we've done in our Zoho Creator, which is in a more easier term to understand, it's a custom app builder. So you get this very solid, secure foundation, which is all privacy and POPI and GDPR compliant, and then you go and you build your custom application. And you can go and pick from different microservices that we've already built. So if you want barcode scanning in your app, you just drag it into your app. If you want to have, let's say, optical character recognition, you should drag it into your app and you can then go and build your app. Now with AI, we've got this co-creator where you can literally type to it and you can speak to it and you can say, I need an app that's going to do this and it's going to do that and I need it to do this. And the AI is going to build it for you on our creator platform. And one further point to add is you can even upload your business process documentation or your wired diagrams of how you want the app to look and function. And the AI is going to interpret that and then build the app for you.
Certainly, maybe also just point out then what sets it apart then from other AI tools in the market.
Well, I think one thing that Zoho is really well known for is its stance for security and privacy. So the way in which Zia is our AI assistant that we've built, you can plug Zia into things like OpenAI. So if you also want ChatGPT, the power of ChatGPT, you can plug it into Zia. But what Zia does is Zia will filter all the personal and private and business information. So when you're prompting Zia, which is Zoho's AI, it will then go and it will prompt your ChatGPT, but it will keep everything very secure and private. So that's one key feature that we have. And then the other thing is that we are building different types of language models. So we've got the large language model, we've got the medium, we've got the narrow one. And so we're really building it so that it can take people's business context and get to the point where it can even help you make decisions on how to improve your business.
Oh, certainly. Are there any, Andrew, any sort of specific tasks or bottlenecks in app development that the co-creator assistant is designed to address?
Well, I think definitely it's user-friendly. So Zoho Creator has this no-code layer where you can easily just drag and drop and you can build your forms just like a form builder, right? Then we've got a low-code layer where you can actually prompt the AI and say, I need this module to do this. Can you suggest the code? And it will actually give you the code that you can copy into the coding generator. And then there's a pro code layer where you can code on top of it. So it's almost like it's a really easy way to build a proof of concept, and then the sky's the limits. You can code on top of it. You can integrate it into other platforms. We've got, the open API connectors. We've got the Zoho Flow, which is it's a cross-platform connector. It's a no-code cross-platform connector. So if you want to connect Creator into an SMS gateway, if you want to connect it into a third-party application, it's really user-friendly. And so that's one thing that makes it really, really easy. So it kind of allows any person, you don't have to be a coder, and you can actually build an app on Creator. And then the other nice thing is that Creator allows pro code and developers to just deploy apps quicker. I mean, before we had the AI, it was 10 times quicker. So you can almost imagine it's like 20 times quicker now to create these applications. And I think that's a huge milestone, an achievement that we've created now.
And I think maybe just to end off, just for some practical implications and how that sort of unfolds for small businesses or teams without a strong IT background. How accessible then is Zoho Creator with these new AI features?
So I think the best thing is for me to give you an example of a South African business. There's a South African business called Yellow. What they do is they supply smartphone devices and small solar systems to people in Malawi and Uganda. And they've got about 250,000 customers, and they've got about 3,000 agents. And what they did is they used Zoho Creator to go and build their logistics module, their customer support module, their stock management module. And so when they explain it, they say, there's even a video online on YouTube. You can go see Yellow electrifying Africa with Zoho Creator. They explain that they use Creator because, number one, it is super cost effective. Again, Zoho has introduced this AI functionality at no extra cost. Okay, that's one other thing to really mention. And the other thing is that it is really simple for their staff to use. So, it's Zoho's really, I think people just need to get in and get a trial and test it and get a taste for it, and you'll understand what I'm saying when it's user friendly and it's really easy for people to start using.
On that note, Andrew, I think we're going to leave it there. Thank you so much for that conversation.
Great, thank you.
All right, that was Andrew Bourne, Regional Head for Zoho South Africa, taking us through our AI Impact feature on Zoho's newly launched AI capabilities in its low-code development platform.